Nuer malaken yam kan as dial kon tilien ka roisni ka Nuer online TV channel der Nuer malaken yam ka jan gwasa me te kon kaler mi jidit mi bokona lingre wicha ka so Sudan. Bana mandana to ka re wicha ka so Sudan kam SPLA mayo kene kuma kirma yadid la SSPDF re wich ka Western Equatorial State bana jeling. Bana mandana chalat gwasa me akwara dana ci doswi kwam me shi futuyo josh re wich ka Western Equatorial bana jeling mandana chalat. Kenyam mi jirama jidit kan Nuer online TV channel naka jen wujin der jen yok nasin ko kien ko de ler ti de kan chamala shu gwasni tin gor kon ken o de ko tin shu je poro jen wujin ab subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwain bana shu wehre ler kana me gwaye la which Western Equatorial State jen gwase dani to togri to ngwan tokotin ajala kona gor no bana lo jok gwaza dana den ngwana rodientin kena kono gor kono no de konkling men bi alin gwaza me jene kweran ci dozu yikwam la kweran ci dozu yikwam ko Western Equatoria general kirma yadit lo lerekel KSSPDF jara me dane joja kwerayo KSPLA mayo dobe joje je ka tukti angwa de dane sha la no cha futu cha ya joje sha de ni cha ga jak la national security de wudu me de kana o kep de ken yen gwe je mi cha ji kef eno cha ji wo ka waji yen ngum nyodam mo nyodo je gwa no kume chire di kamal anyok en futu yo shiran kirma yadi taran dr machar lo chungen kel kana dr machar so tele kalwanko de kana o kep duno me che tuɔɔk ju kana gorno be kana wona ne ka residential dan teten ke gwashi ngada ka jen yambio re which ko kweran gwasmo kana ne jen chu ka wer ka shu kol shu tuɔɔk ano jelga kelga jen wudo mo en wudo dana la kwere rewde shale daniel badagbo jen ran Equatoria ba chene ke futuyo duno ken atiken ka dorto gol bi ngaje no Western Equatoria ken chaka kwot take belende ke azande so toto tiketin bi angaje no ala azande kene konte ke kingdomship so gorkano de ken ideal de kan ga kan so ala ken met ken ke kirma yadit jen menen yana mo tidik to wan to ka Western Equatorial State nakana ne chang se gwadan pai wala SSPDF de ni ken dial chicken wore wuchin winimi chicken wodak wankan dul ne kontla dul je SPLA mayo kene de kontin chunkel kaka so na mo jeri ga dana le den winimi so wuda me Michel ke Daniel badagbo jen che kuma kirma yadi che cholo no te mu de la de jene de gwangwoni de jelep de nyoko mu lep ko je kon gwangwon no mo chetene ka ron kana konlep jen gaga cha gaga jene tam de nyoko mu lep ko je la state legislative assembly gwadan la ngola khalas ka latin ki gwat kon na adultin shit ko dong mete ka mugor ka balat ka kwingon re wich ano ba raje mo ba jaw kwen ngwasmo jende mukta mo de nyoko mi lep ko ja ano anudo mo jen wudo shal ke Daniel badagbo jaram dan ci do dewja la acting governor ko governor kwere la governor nyam kwere shal ge futuyo ala gwa futuyo chuma enta makana ne moj karan teram chana laten mide larno ramme cha kwen ngwasmo ala kwer ki la governor kana latin so wudo me jen ci do dewja ne ko gwa de dan shikan wudo shal ke futuyo chikane joire which chechu titina lo vacancy ne jana mo so chi yudo no jare wo jala ko gwara lore ame ko me dane shi da machar me che kim yadi che jogo no de wud mo de lo jok kan kira no ka kira jane wudo mo che jen kan mot ten content yan ka wuch ko che linga lo go jade futuyo dara report dara ja no ngaja ka futuyo te ka boss de ke ko nda ko machar mi mo che de kam no je kim yadi na mo jen dobe dani chiral je to je kan kirma yadit kan je nyok ka medere je realeka jo chopel me cha wur me cha jo che chu jen che ore ro so jen wur me chikul do ten me chal Daniel badagbo me ano jen ko dana en chi do ten ke jen ko raw do ko jen deputy governor by the way ni ko gwade dan jaram dan chi do da tem ko chi SPLA mayo che ken lo chele tu wikwam chu gor wur me no be futu yo be jen kala ko SPLA mayo re wichin winami na mo jene dane chirik to wan chigo no long me ku yene la len na nyeni shang chumen tam nyina so me chala teme jene gor jen wo de state assembly de nyoko mi lep kje re wich ka Western Equatoria, Baja Kwenya ka talk English. Acting Governor of Western Equatoria urged reopening of State Assembly. The acting governor of Western Equatoria, Daniel Badagbu Rimbasa, has called for the immediate reopening of the State Legislative Assembly, which has been inactive for over a year. Speaking at a press briefing in Yambio on Wednesday, Mr. Rimbasa stressed the importance of resuming legislative function to ensure effective governance. All members of the State Legislative Assembly who have trouble must return immediately. Without a functioning assembly, the government cannot operate effectively, he said. He highlighted the Assembly's critical role in enacting laws, approving budgets, and maintaining checks and balance within the government. Mr. Rimbasa also emphasized the need for a functioning judiciary and public administration, urging all institutions to resume their duties to uphold the rule of laws. I appreciate those who have already resumed work. We must move forward to ensure governance operates smoothly, he said. The Assembly has been inactive since March 2023, exceeding its usual 3-month recess period. According to the Speaker, Wakila Ngamunde, the Assembly operates on a 3-month in-session and 3-month out-session basis under the Conduct of Business Regulation. However, members have now been inactive for over a year. Ms. Nganmunde explained that she had previously engaged the former governor about reopening the assembly but was advised to wait for the appointment of a new deputy governor. Delays persisted even after Ilya Box was appointed to the role. She welcomed the acting governor initiative and said members would formally resume work once their salaries were processed. Our community perceives us as inactive, but our hands are tied by the law. We are operating within the framework of the Conduct of Business Regulation, which dictate how the assembly function. We are eager to resume our duties, she said. Joseph Dadu, the State Legislature Finance and Development Secretary, echoed the urgency of reopening the assembly, describing it as the engine of governance. Without a functioning parliament, the government cannot operate properly. Parliament is responsible for making laws and approving budget. We have gone for a month without convening, and during this period, critical decisions have been pending, he said. Mr. Dadu revealed that the state has operated without an approved budget for 3 consecutive years and is now entering a 4th year in the same situation. This is unprecedented. The government must present the budget to the Assembly along with the policy statement outlining the government priorities. Without these, ministry cannot function effectively, he stressed. He added that the Finance and Economic Committee had already submitted a budget to the Speaker, who forwarded it to the Governor for approval. We are now waiting for the acting Governor to announce the reopening date. Once Parliament recovers, we can begin budget deliberation and approve policies, he concluded. The call to reopen the Assembly comes amid rising tension between President Salva Kiir and his first Vice President, Riek Machar, over the governance of Western Equatoria under the theme of the 2018 peace agreement. Last month, President Kiir unilaterally dismissed General Alfred Futuyo Karaba, the governor of Western Equatoria State, and a member of the opposition SPLM-IO, which is led by Dr. Riek Machar. The move has further strained relation between the two leaders.